Hello everyone, this is Akshay from Finethics Financial Solution Private Limited. As the entire world is facing the lockdown challenges due to COVID-19 pandemic, I hope you, your family and dear one are in safe. As an organization, we do believe in client-centric and solution-centric approach rather than product selling. We follow a holistic approach that provides expertise to all aspects of your financial plan and financial goal. We understood the client's need first and then provide the best of best solution as per his desired goals and requirements. Our approach is goal-based. Money lying idle in the bank account is an opportunity lost. You should invest that amount smartly to get good returns out of it. Investments are important in today's world. Just earning money and doing saving is not enough. You work hard for the money that you earn, but that may not be adequate to lead a comfortable lifestyle and fulfilling your dreams and goals. To do that, you should have a proper investment and financial planning. Investment objectives should be predefined with proper planning and the same should align to the goals. For this, proper client profiling and risk profiling must be done for a better analysis. Investment goals. Investment goals can be either short-term or long-term goals. For short-term goals, you should opt for safer investment and use your return generating potential of equities for long-term goals. Since there are so many types of asset classes, it is very difficult to choose the right kind of investment avenues. So therefore, it is very much important to choose or have right advisor. Making wrong investment choice can lead to financial losses, which is something that no one wants. The first step in planning your investment is to figure out the right kind of investment that suits your profile and needs. Here are a few things to keep in mind when planning your investment. These are the 4 steps you should follow. The first step is choose the investment carefully after doing adequate research. Do not fall in traps for those schemes which promises higher returns in short period. Review your portfolio periodically. Consider your tax implication on returns that you earn from your investment. Diversification is key to any investment. There is always a say, do not put all your eggs into one basket. 2 steps to be followed in diversification. Diversification between the asset classes. Diversification within the investment plans and pure risk insurance plan. Inflation is the silent killer. In simple terms, inflation means increase in prices of goods and services. It means over a year, more money is required to purchase the same amount of goods and services as the purchasing power decreases with rising inflation. Asset allocation helps investors reduce risk through diversification. This is an investment strategy that aims to balance the risk and rewards by apportioning a portfolios according to individual goals, risk tolerance level and time horizon. A simple rule 2 steps to be followed for asset allocation. Right mix of asset class for better returns. Construction of diversified portfolio. A simple rule can be followed is to invest 100 minus current age in equities and rest into debt instrument. For an example, if your age is 35, you should invest 65% of your total investment in equities and rest 35% towards debt instrument. Power of compounding is the 8th wonder. The magic of power of compounding works by growing your wealth exponentially. It adds profit on back to the principal amount then reinvest the entire sum to accelerate the profit earning process. Suppose you invest rupees 1000 which offers rupees 1000 per annum interest per annum. Your investment amount becomes rupees 1100 after first year and rupees 1210 after second year and so on. Human life value. Human life value helps in identifying the life insurance needs of an individual on the basis of income, expenses, liabilities and investment, and secure family's future. It is very important that we do not need to leave our dreams to fade in the event of an unfortunate incident. To ensure that our family are free from financial burden, the first step is to calculate the financial value. Invest as per your goals. As a thumb rule, you should have a minimum life insurance cover 10 times of your annual income. For health insurance, you should have 50% of your annual income or 5 lakhs, whichever is higher. Dear investors, I hope this video will help out while you are planning your investment. These are the certain steps which can give some kind of ideas when you start to do any kind of investment plans. I hope so. If you are finding any queries, any difficulties while doing or choosing any investment plan or any investment schemes, you can call me anytime. My coordinates are mentioned in my website, that is www.finethics.in. With this, I'll be signing up. All the best. Do take care of yourself and your family. Use mask nowadays actually because we are into COVID-19. For our health purpose, we should always think actually what kind of steps we should follow, that we should keep away from this COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you. Do take care of yourself.